Okay, let's create crab this time. We need 2 balloons with the same color. Now, first thing that you need to do is create the arm of the crab by doing this 2-inch balloon figure and another 2-inch balloon figure here. Tie this together. Just like that. Okay. Now, just leave it there and create another one. 2-inch bubble here, another 2-inch bubble here. Put it together. Just like that. Okay. Now, this time, create 1-inch bubble here. 1-inch bubble here. 1 inch, and this time 2 or 3 inch here. Okay, now do the same thing. 1-inch bubble here and 1-inch bubble here. 2-inch bubble here and another 2-inch bubble here. Okay, so we just put it together, all of them. Put it each other, just like that. And we created this. Okay, so this is the arms of our crab. Now we need is the feet or the legs of our crab. Okay, so all you need to do is you need to create something like this. Okay, and by creating a loop 4-inch approximate length, and do the same thing, 4-inch loop here, just like that. And now make another bubble here that will fit for the lower part of the body of the crab, just like that. Put it around just like this. Now do the same thing here on the other side. Put another bubble here that will fit here on the body of the crab. Okay, so we created an extra thick body of the crab. Okay, now need to add one more thickness of the body of the crab by creating another bubble here. Okay, and just do one more thickness here by creating another bubble and wrap it around here, and we have eventually a very fat crab. Okay, so now we're not officially done here because we need the eye for our crab is, I think, white. Okay, so let's remove the excess air for this. Okay, I think that's it. Now, tie this up. Labang garalkal. Okay, now twist this in half equally. Now move this area to the other side, just like this. Just like this. Just like this. Okay, so we end up like this. This is the eyes of our crab. All you need to do is you need to put the eyes of our crab here. That's it. How about that? The crab. Wow. Thank you so much.